Hi. Hi,วัว Hi, girls. Hi, girl. Hi, sweetie. Where you guys going, huh? Okay, this is our fish tank here. We're raising tilapia. Can't see them in there. There was 1,000 of them. Now there's probably 900. A number of them died, but you kind of see them in there. Now what happens is we're going to leave them in here until they get a little bigger. Actually about 3 months. And then what we're going to do, we're going to transfer them out into here, but in a enclosed area, like a netted area. Then we'll refill this tank here with a different type of fish. First we're going to start with tilapia, and then we're going to a different type. But these fish are really good to eat right here. Tastes great. That thing's our pump, which is off right now. Filter. It's the filter box right there. Actually, it's not finished, the electrical, but it works. And this is our pond, or what do you want to call it, from up above. Actually, we have 2 of them. That one over there is all well, but this one's really deep. This one goes down like 16 feet, roughly around there. But it's all enclosed right here. There's a fence that goes all the way around it. Keep the chickens and turkeys and ducks in there. Here's our fish pond from up above. And that's our compost right there.